Welcome to another Caravan video, my 2002 Sterling Eccles Sapphire, and in this video I'm going to be changing the seal on the cassette toilet. So something I've noticed when I've emptied the toilet cassette is the seal on the cassette itself is leaking. Now the toilet on this particular Caravan is actually a Thetford C4, and it's hard to open this one-handed. So I better put the camera down. I'll open this. So you need both hands. So yeah, I'll just pull the cassette out, and this is the seal in question that is leaking. You want to tip it up, it leaks out, and it looks to be easy enough to change. Actually got a new seal, which is a genuine part from Thetford, just shy of £20 from Yorkshire Coast Caravans, and it looks like it's just 8 Phillips screws. I think the Phillips are positive, so let's have a look. I've brought my toolbox out, my Caravan toolbox. Yep, that's definitely the right one. So what I'll do is I'll get these unscrewed, and then I can pull this old seal off. So it's just a matter of pulling these screws out, and I'll do this off camera, and I'll come back to you when I'm ready to pull the seal out. So that's all 8 screws out, so this just lifts off like so, and then it should be just a matter, there we go, pulling the seal off, and you can see where it's all perished. So what I'll do is I'll give all this a good clean up. I've got some all-purpose cleaner. Put that seal to one side. I'll have to check it against the new one. I hope this is the right one. To be honest, I'm not certain that's the right seal. That's it, but once I've opened the packet, that's it. I'm past point of no return. It looks different, but I think it's had the wrong one fitted, because I've just done a test fit, and I think it goes that way. I don't think it could go either way, but no, that's not gonna seal. So I think it goes in that way, and then that just goes on top like that, and it seems to be a better fit. So I think that's the way it goes. Yep, I think that's the way it goes. So I'll get these screws on. I think it's new and does seem to seal better, but I'm sure it's right one, because it says for after 15th of June 2000. This is 2002 Caravan, so I think we're good. I'll just get this reassembled and see how it goes. So I've got it all fully assembled, tightening the screws. Now one thing to note, you need to tighten them down gradually. Do it in a star pattern. Get all the screws tight and tighten them down, in a star pattern. And I just lubricate. I use a bit of washing up liquid, because that's all I've got to hand, and it seems to function all right. That should seal up, because I noticed when when the cassette's full and you stand it up on end, it was leaking out of here. So, and as you can see, that seal as well and truly had it. So yeah, definitely the right part. I was worried because it looked different to the old one, and it's possible that this is the wrong seal on this. Probably didn't help with it, so I'll just reinstall it in, and then we'll see how it opens from the inside. So I'm inside the washroom. I'll just test it. Yep, that opens quite well and closes all right. So yeah, that's a confirmed fix. So I'll end the video here. I know it's a short one, so I hope you enjoyed this one. As ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you.